welcome to Mishi. Today we are here to learn this cute little hat. This is the cute little crochet hat that I'm going to show you today as a decor, or you can also use them as a keychain or anything else. So these are really very little cute hats. So let's get started. For this you will need a strip of yarn if you have of any different colors. You will need 3 colors. You'll need a pair of scissors, a needle and a hook. I'm using 2.5 mm hook as this goes with my yarn. You can use any yarn and any sort of hook you want. So let's get started. I'll be using a blue color first to make the base of our hat. So what you have to do is you have to make a magic circle. To make the magic circle, you simply have to make a ring like this. Pass your hook through it and pull it through. Make a chain, and this is our magic circle. Chain 2, and now we are going to work in the magic circle. We are going to make 10 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After making 10 double crochets, you are going to pull this so that the circle is smaller, and do a slip stitch into our very first stitch, and our first round is complete. After completing our first round, we are going to start our second round, and in the second round you have to increase. So for increasing, you simply have to start your round with chain 2 and make 2 double crochets in every stitch. So it will become total of 20 stitches at the end of your round 2. You'll have 20 stitches. In every stitch we are going to increase. I hope you are understanding that I am giving 2 double crochets in every stitch, and this will become total 20 stitches. Join me back when you have made all the 20 stitches. I have completed my second round, and at the end of the second round I am having total of 20 stitches and then a slip stitch to complete the round. After completing this round, we are going to chain 2 to start our third round. In our third round, we are having no increases, no decreases. Simply we have to do double crochets all the way round till the end of our round 2. So double crochet in every stitch. You simply have to do double crochet. Join me back when you have done all double crochets and your round third is complete. Once you have finished your all double crochets, you'll have 20 double crochets in total, and you have to slip stitch and complete this round. So our round third is complete, and you can see it is taking the shape of a hat. At this point, I am going to add my second color, and for this you simply have to leave a tail like this, keep it with it, and just pull it through and pull this blue yarn so it gets tied, and our yarn is second color is attached. Chain 2, and again we are going to do double crochet in each of the stitch. Remember, you have to leave this blue color because we are going to work with this blue color again at the end. So, and take this tail with you along with you so that it gives neatness to your work. So we are going to do double crochet in each of the stitch. So again, in this fourth round, we are going to have 20 double crochets. Join me back when you have finished all around, and join this with the slip stitch. Once you have completed your fourth round, in every double crochet we are going to do a double crochet and join with a slip stitch. After joining, we are going to again switch to our base color, that is the blue color, and pull it. Now again we are going to work with our blue color. Now this is our final round, and in this chain 1 we are going to start with chain 1 and single crochet into the next stitch. After making single crochet, we are going to chain 2 and make 3 double crochets into the same stitch in which we made the single crochet. So 1 double crochet, second double crochet, and our third double crochet. After making third double crochet, we are going to chain 2, skip a stitch, and single crochet into our next stitch. Again, chain 2, double crochet 3 times into the same stitch. Chain 2, single crochet by skipping. See, we have to skip a stitch and a single crochet into our next stitch. Let me repeat it for you. Chain 2, 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 2 and skip a stitch and